This verse shows the sacrifice of Jesus. He suffered not for his own wrongs, but for ours, so we could receive peace, forgiveness, and healing. Jesus took the punishment we deserved, showing God's deep love. His suffering brought us peace with God. Healed means not just physical healing, but also spiritual and emotional restoration. You don't have to carry guilt. Forgiveness is available. It brings peace to your heart, knowing the price has been made. It reminds you that you are loved and valued deeply by God. Jesus took your pain and your sins so you can live in peace, healing, and freedom.